Good morning, friends! It's a peaceful summer day, and I've decided to treat myself to a slow, quiet morning after a busy week. I've been having so much fun exploring the area around the cottage lately, and for breakfast, I want to stop at a riverside cafe I've been wanting to visit since we moved here. One of my favorite things about this time of year is the abundance of fresh produce and herbs and flowers at all the local farm stands. This fresh basil from the farm stand smells so good. I'm going to use it to make some basil lemonade to sip on this afternoon. I've been trying to learn how to draw, and I just got myself this book. It's called Imagine a Forest by Dinara Murtalipova, and it's all about illustrating Eastern European folk art, and I love this style of art so much. So I've been working my way through the book and trying to practice a little illustration every day, and today I'm going to try to draw this little red teapot. This style of art typically uses paint and colored pencils, and right now all I have are these markers. So I'm just working on sketching, and I'd love to buy a set of paint and colored pencils soon so that I can really start practicing. For dinner, I'm going to make a salad with this Flower Power salad mix. This is a mix of salad greens and edible flowers, and it's from Rolling Hills Farm.